Let me continue with the solution example 3. Find the integral of integrate e to the power of x over e to the power of x plus 1 dx. Okay, so for the A, if we see that differentiate denominator, we can get numerator. So let fx is equal to e to the power of x plus 1. Differentiate e to the power of x plus 1, we can get e to the power of x. So we have the formula. Formula is integral of f prime x over fx dx. The answer is ln fx plus c. So refer to the question. Our question is integrate denominator e to the power of x plus 1. Numerator is e to the power of x dx. So we can get the answer ln of the denominator e to the power of x plus 1 plus c. Okay, so the solution B is let denominator, so let fx is equal to e to the power of x squared plus 4x. So if we differentiate the denominator, we can get f prime x is equal to e to the power of x squared times 2x plus 4. So we simplify, we get 2x e to the power of x squared plus 4. Okay, so the formula is if we integrate f prime x over fx dx, the answer is ln fx plus c. So refer to the question. Our question is 4x e to the power of x squared plus 8 over e to the power of x squared plus 4x dx. Okay, to make it get like this, our differentiation. So the question is we can factorize 2. So factorize 2, so we can get 2x e to the power of x squared plus 4 over e to the power of x squared plus 4x. So we get the answer is 2 ln e to the power of x squared plus 4x and then plus c. That's the answer for the solution B. Okay, now let me see the solution of question C. Okay, this one is the denominator, and then if we see differentiate, this one we can get numerator related. Okay, so let fx is equal to e to the power of 3x plus 6x. Okay, so differentiate, we can get f prime x is equal to 3e to the power of 3x plus 6. Okay, and then we have the formula. Okay, so we have the rules of formula. Integral of f prime x over fx dx. The answer is ln fx plus c. Okay, so refer to the question is integral e to the power of 3x plus 2 over e to the power of 3x plus 6x. If we differentiate denominator, we must get 3e to the power of 3x plus 6. So to get this one is, we can times 3. Okay, here times 3. Okay, and then don't forget to divide it by 3. Okay, so now we can get same like the question. Okay, because we times 3. Okay, so the answer is equal. What is equal to 1 over 3 ln e to the power of 3x plus 6x plus c. Okay, so that's the answer for the example solution C. Okay, now let me see the question D. Okay, 1 over 1 plus e to the power of negative x dx. For this question, we must simplify the question first. Okay, so we simplify. We get 1 over 1 plus these indices we change to be 1 over e to the power of x dx. And then we equalize denominator. Okay, for the denominator, so we have 1 over e to the power of x plus 1 over e to the power of x dx. And then now our question is e to the power of x over e to the power of x plus 1 dx. Okay, so this one is simple when we simplify the question. So let fx is equal to e to the power of x plus 1. So we differentiate, we can get e to the power of x. Okay, so using the rules of formula, integral of f prime x over fx dx is equal to ln fx plus c. Okay, so the question is e to the power of x over e to the power of x plus 1 dx is equal to ln e to the power of x plus 1 plus c. That's the solution for the D. Okay, so let we see the next formula or rules for the integral of the form f prime x times e to the power of x dx. We see that if we differentiate e to the power of ax plus b, we can get a to the power of e to the power of ax plus b times a and then ln e, or because ln e is 1, that's why we get the answer is a e to the power of ax plus b. In general, differentiate e to the power of fx, we can get e to the power of fx times f prime x and then ln e, okay, or we can write e to the power of fx times f prime x. Indefinite integral of this term, so we can get integrate e to the power of x times f prime x dx is equal to e to the power of fx over ln e plus c, or e to the power of fx plus c because the value of ln e is 1. Okay, now let me see the example. Example 4, find the following integrals. Okay, so for the question A, okay, integral 3e to the power of 3x dx. Okay, let fx is equal to the power of exponent. Okay, so this one is our fx. So differentiate f prime x, we get 3. So using the formula, integral e to the power of x times f prime x dx, the answer is e to the power of fx plus c. So for this question, okay, we can get, because this one is our f prime x, and then this one is f e to the power of fx dx. The answer is e to the power of fx plus c. Now let me see the solution of B. Okay, so we take fx is the power of e, which is fx is equal to 5x. When we differentiate f prime x, we get 5. And then we have the formula. The formula is integral of f prime x times e to the power of fx dx. The answer is e to the power of fx plus c. So refer to our question is integral of e to the power of 5x dx. The differentiate of our power is 5. That's why here we put 5, and then this one is divided by 5 dx. So we get the answer 1 over 5 e to the power of 5x plus c. That's the answer for the B.